The Super Visa program enables parents and grandparents of Canadians to visit for extended stays. Discover its purpose, benefits, and how to apply. The Super Visa program offers an opportunity for parents and grandparents of Canadian citizens and permanent residents to enjoy extended visits. It provides a chance to strengthen family bonds while exploring Canada. Eligible applicants must meet specific criteria and follow a clear application process. A crucial part of this process is securing private health insurance, ensuring visitors have coverage for medical needs during their stay. This insurance is vital for peace of mind, in compliance with visa requirements, making the visit enjoyable and worry-free. For Super Visa applicants, obtaining private health insurance is essential. It ensures medical coverage during your stay in Canada, meeting visa requirements. The Canadian government mandates a minimum coverage amount and duration, ensuring visitors are protected. This insurance provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on enjoying time with family. Make sure your policy meets all conditions to avoid complications. With the right insurance, your visit can be safe and stress-free, fulfilling the Super Visa's promise of extended family time. For Super Visa applicants, understanding health insurance requirements is crucial. The Canadian government mandates a minimum coverage of $100,000, covering at least 1 year. This ensures you have the necessary protection during your stay. Consider various plans like single-trip, multi-trip, or comprehensive options. Each plan has unique benefits, so choose wisely to suit your needs. Meeting these requirements guarantees a smoother application process and peace of mind while enjoying your time in Canada. Selecting the right health insurance for a Super Visa involves evaluating coverage limits, premiums, and deductibles. It's crucial to compare these factors across top providers to find a plan that fits your needs. Consider the reputation of insurance companies, focusing on customer service and claims processing efficiency. In 2025, top providers offer varied plans, so choose one that ensures comprehensive coverage and peace of mind during your stay in Canada. Explore the top insurance providers for Super Visa in 2025 like Policy Bazaar. Compare their plans based on coverage, customer service, and claims process to make informed decisions. Learn how to apply for health insurance with step-by-step guidance, including necessary documents and timelines. Ensure a smooth application experience by following our expert tips, helping you secure the best coverage for your Super Visa journey in Canada. Applying for health insurance under the Super Visa program is straightforward. First, gather all necessary documents, including identification and proof of relationship. Next, understand the timelines to ensure timely submission. Lastly, follow our expert tips for a smooth application experience. Address common concerns with our FAQ section, providing clarity on insurance requirements. Secure the best coverage and enjoy peace of mind during your Super Visa journey. In this final segment, we tackle frequently asked questions about Super Visa health insurance, addressing common concerns, and providing clarity. Adequate health insurance is crucial for Super Visa holders, ensuring peace of mind. We emphasize the importance of thoroughly researching and selecting the best plan tailored to your needs. Remember, informed choices lead to a smoother Super Visa experience. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. Visit Policy Bazaar. Book your appointment for Super Visa insurance and get a quote.